ball jump at 214 feet 8 inches. Team Bigfoot, the original drop. And he is moving right along at a 3-second clip. With Bigfoot. They bring this truck out of the big loop. Here comes the big man. Not a problem for Bigfoot. Young is a turn.